In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. Suppose you need to create a progress bar according to the data available in the sheet. We are going to use a formula for this. Select a cell and type the formula shown on the screen, or I will add the formula to the description as well. You can copy the formula from there. Here, we are going to use the SPARKLINE formula. Select the cell section of the formula and delete it. Now, select your own progress cell in its place. In the formula, I have selected the color red, but you can type any color you like. For example, let's replace it with green. You can also use a color hex code here. Press Enter on your keyboard. Now, bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor becomes a plus sign, double-click on it. This will apply the formula to the rest of the cells. Here, you can see that we have successfully created a progress bar for our data. This progress bar is changeable as well. If I change a value in one of the data cells, you can see that the progress bar also changes accordingly.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.